them. That's mind-boggling in and of itself. But then when you find those dark patches of sky where you go up the Natchez Trace from central Mississippi, or you go out west into Arizona where there are those patches along highways where you're miles between towns and you don't have that light pollution of the street lights and the businesses and the homes and stuff. And you're used to looking up and seeing enough stars to where if you took the time, you could count them. And then you look up and you can see the arm of the Milky Way, and it's just a blanket of stars that you couldn't possibly just imagine counting that high. It's humbling.
Sounds really cool. So, I mean, even when you go to let the dog out to tinkle at night and you walk outside to make sure they come back quickly, and you just take the time to just look up, because how many of us actually take the time to like check out the sky every day? I mean, you know, even just the clouds are never the same 2 days in a row, and they can be very fun and interesting to look at. Very scary sometimes too. Or it can be, you know, a crystal clear day, and you look up and you just realize all the stars that are sort of out. There's this whole nother kind of world going on while you're busy getting lunches together for the next day or getting the dog into whatever. And you just have that like moment that you realize, man, I'm just a wee little thing in this great big universe.
And it gets even crazier when you add the fourth dimension to it.
Which is what?
Because, I mean, we look at reality in 3 dimensions. The fourth dimension is time. And when you're talking about space and stars and starlight, time is a big factor in that, because the twinkling you're looking at is the rotation of a star or something passing in between you and that star light years away. And in some cases, it happened thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, 1 million years ago, and that light's just now getting to your eyes.